Hey guys, spring is here and it's gonna be time for us to be cutting the hydrangeas to get them blooming for spring and summer. So I always leave over the winter the dead flowers on the top here. So what I will do is that I will basically trim it all the way down to like the first 2/3 will be cut, and I will leave 1/3 at the bottom. That's usually the way I like to do it. I will also use those metallic circles to kind of like put a frame at the bottom of the flowers. Make sure that as it grows wide and approximately 25 inches tall. So we're gonna get going here. So I'm making good progress here. As you can tell, I chopped quite a bit of it. So I take the circles like this. All right, the trim is done, nice and uniform, so that should allow a nice growth. Again, as you can tell, I chopped like a good 2/3 of it. I kept the bottom third. I think we're looking good here. So now the goal is going to kind of like clean that up at the bottom. There's still a lot of leaves from winters. I'm gonna clean up the weeds. I'm gonna open up a little bit, clean it up, put some fertilizer, add some dirt, and that should help us for the season. We should see some nice growth. And here are all the cuts that I've made. We're gonna be able to propagate and replant all of those. So we're gonna have brand new hydrangeas. Alright, here's the way it looks already 1 week after the cut. Look at how green already it is.